Unlock a powerful new way for creators and brands to thrive together with Shopify Collabs. Ever wanted to seamlessly partner with Shopify merchants to promote and earn from their amazing products? That's exactly what Shopify Collabs is designed for, and it's simpler than you think. First things first, as a creator, you'll want to access Shopify Collabs through your existing Shopify account if you don't have one. Setting one up is quick and easy. Merchants, you can integrate Collabs directly into your Shopify store. This opens up a dedicated marketplace to find and connect with passionate creators ready to showcase your products. Once you're in, creators can explore a curated feed of collaboration opportunities. You can browse by product type, brand, or even specific campaign goals. Here, you'll see all the details: the product being offered, the commission structure, and clear guidelines for content creation. It's about building genuine partnerships. Ready to partner? Simply express your interest and share a little about your audience and why you're a great fit. Merchants will review your profile and collaboration proposal. When a merchant accepts your request, you're officially in. This opens the door for affiliate marketing. You'll get a unique link to track sales generated through your promotions. Now comes the fun part: creating authentic content. Share your genuine experience with the product across your social media channels, driving traffic and ultimately sales for the merchant. For merchants, this means expanding your reach exponentially through trusted voices, tapping into influencer marketing to boost brand awareness and drive targeted sales. And for creators, it's a rewarding way to monetize your influence and passion, earning commissions directly from the brands you love. It's a win-win for everyone involved. So, whether you're a creator looking to team up or a merchant seeking impactful partnerships, Shopify Collabs is your gateway to collaborative success. Start exploring today and watch your reach and your sales grow.